Good morning, friends. Spirit is talking this morning about situations and people in our lives where we have been giving emotionally, spiritually, and financially, and we're not getting back what we always wanted from them. We must release the guilt of this situation in our lives and take a vacation mentally or physically. We must find our own home. We must come back to ourselves. We um, we have had dealings with an older person, probably a woman in your life, and the Spirit says, with this situation, you have to take control of your own narrative. There are situations that are in the balance which require careful handling, but Spirit says, take it slowly. There is something better. This situations that they're talking about is actually creating a wedge and not allowing you to move forward. You need to find confidence in yourself, and this comes from time and practice. Don't rush it. Do what you love, says the angels. And the Spirit says, trust the magic of the universe. You have to take a leap of faith and believe in yourself. Listen to your heart and do what gives you joy. Self awareness is key. It's time now to take a walk in nature, meditate, listen to your favorite music, whatever you enjoy, do that today. It's time for recovery in this situations that we find ourselves in. We all been praying and wishing for different things, and Spirit wants us to know that it's time for teamwork. Powerful friends will come into your life to help you, and you need courage in your moving forward. There are new beginnings on the horizon, and you are being prepared by the universe for what's coming in your life. And the Spirit says that one change after another is happening. You are learning to adapt and grow. Be kind and gentle to yourself. And they say that if you don't take a leap of faith, it's unlikely that these things are going to come for you. So I'm giving you hope, and I hope and pray that this will all work out for us. Love you all.